Hello, welcome back. This is how to install Bukkit on a droplet. Previous one was how to install a vanilla Minecraft server. This one here will be how to install a Bukkit server. So, what Bukkit is a version of Minecraft basically. So, we're going to go ahead and go to dl.bukkit.org, as you can see, and we will see that we have recommend version. Actually, we're going to go to alternative versions. So I'm using 1.6.4. I don't want to downgrade. So I'm going to use the latest development version. And even though this is very not stable, so we'll go to copy link address. Now, before we get too in depth to things, let's make sure we have Java installed. Now, I did a previous tutorial that installed all that, went over all that, but basically you're going to do Java. This will make sure you have Java. Java version. Okay, we have version, that's good. We have Java. So now we'll do apt. So, and if you don't have that, you'll do apt get install default JDK screen and vim. And you have all those, and that's good. Okay, so now I will go ahead and create, so make their Bukkit, and then we'll go to cd Bukkit. Then we'll do to wget, right click, press enter, and it's going to get that. Okay, once we have that, we will go and start the server. So in order to start the server, we're going to do Java, and then XMX, and then this one here will be the maximum amount of RAM. Since I'm on a 1 gig VPS, I'll do 756 megabytes, and then XMS for the minimum amount of RAM, which will be 756 megabytes. That just happens to be for me. It will be different from you. Just M, not MB. Then jar and craft Bukkit dev.jar. Okay, so it's going to start the server. Now there's one thing that I forgot to do again. Did this in the last tutorial too, so I forgot to start it in the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and let this finish out its process. I'm going to pause real quick. Okay, I'm going to do stop. Okay, stop the server. I'm just waiting for it to finish loading. Okay, now I'm going to do clear, and then I'm going to do screen. Hold on. Hold on, my thing just glitched out a second. Okay, root. Okay, that works. And then I will continue and go to cd home, cd Bukkit, and then list, and then I'll do screen, save, and then Bukkit. Yeah, that should work. Bukkit. And then I will do the command that we did before, which was Java XMX for the largest amount of RAM, 756 megabytes, and XMS for the smallest amount of RAM, so that one there will be 512 megabytes. And then I will go and do jar, and then craft Bukkit dev.jar, and then no GUI if you need to. It's not always necessary. Okay, so anyways, let's get in the server. Now we can go ahead and actually connect to the server. Okay, so once you join your server, you're going to want to be op in most cases, so we're going to do op creator, and creator is opt. As you can see, I still have chat history from the last time I was in this. This is from the previous tutorial, but it started right here. Creator joined the game, and then opt creator. So then you can say in console, say hello, and yeah, say hello, and then we'll say hey there. Okay, so at least we can know that everything's working like so. So in order to get out of so now you can leave the screen and actually disconnect from your terminal, so just close, and you can still play on your Minecraft server, which is good. So that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial will probably be how to install Laravel. That's a pretty requested tutorial lately, so I will go over that. Thank you for taking time to watch this tutorial. I will see you later.